Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Stripe Payment Gateway with PaymentForm.io. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Payment Gateway Settings. From the left sidebar, click the Payment Gateway option. Step 2. Select Stripe. In the list of available payment gateways, find Stripe. Then click the Connect Now button. Step 3. Enter a connection name. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a name for this connection. Then click the Connect button. You will now be redirected to Stripe to authorize the connection. Now, provide the required information and complete the authorization process. Once the authorization is successful, you will be redirected back to PaymentForm.io, where you will see an Authorization Successful confirmation message. Now return to the Payment Gateway page. Here you will see that your Stripe account is now successfully connected to PaymentForm.io and ready to be used as a payment gateway for your payment forms. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.